everyone, welcome back to my channel Devu's Magical Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make vanilla ice cream at home with just 3 ingredients. Let's get started. Chill the bowl and whisk in the freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take out the chilled bowl and whisk and add 1 cup of cold, heavy whipping cream and beat it well. You can use an electric mixer if you have one, because it will make this process easier. If you don't have an electric mixer, you can use even just a whisk, but make sure you beat it well. You can stop beating it when it gets this kind of a consistency. Don't overbeat it or the ice cream will not freeze properly. Now add 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk and mix well. Beat it just so that the condensed milk is mixed. Don't overmix it. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix until well incorporated. After beating all the ingredients, this should be the consistency. Using a spatula, add all of that batter into a container and freeze it for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Flatten the top of the batter and close it tightly. If you don't have a lid for the container you are using, then you can cover it using a plastic wrap or you can use any plate, but make sure you close it airtight.